Hello, I am Vijay Kumar Naik, Softech Computer Services. We are based in Panjim as well as in Verna. We are a major distributor for Digisol cables. Digisol is a company which is a Make in India, Make in Goa company. So they are the first networking company which is there in Goa and India. And in Digisol, we have got a major product that is an Cat6 product, which is an fast moving, which Cat6 product is used for an networking as well as an CCTV. And near future, all optic fiber is going to take care, or optic fiber is going to cover entire networking portfolio. So because of that, we have called this our you could say. The electrical contractors to introduce our new technology to them, and all electrical contractors are happy, and we have showed them a new product technology which is going to come, and we have all showcased our product over here, and then this seminar of introducing to all electrical the contractors, major contractors, also as well as an IT dealers. We do it regularly so that they are knowledgeable and they could deploy a new technology in a market. So this is what we do. And moreover, our company or Digisol, you could say, they are far more superior, and we do not compromise in a quality. So thank you so much. Thanks for joining us, and thank you, Prudent Media.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.